In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename chart layout in Tradingview. If you've saved multiple chart setups for different markets or strategies, giving each layout a clear name makes switching between them faster and far less confusing. Here's exactly how to do it from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. For the change to stick across your devices, make sure you're signed into your account. If you aren't, go ahead and log in before you continue so your layout's saved to the cloud. Once you're on the site, look along the top navigation bar and click Products. From that menu, choose Supercharts. On some versions, you may simply see Chart instead of Supercharts. Both take you to the full charting interface where your saved layouts live. When the chart loads, shift your attention to the upper right-hand area of the screen. This is where TradingView keeps chart layout controls. You'll see the layout name near a cloud icon. Click there to open the layout options, then choose Manage Layout. This opens a small panel that lists all of your saved chart layouts, including the one you're currently using. In the Manage Layout panel, find the layout you want to edit and click Rename. TradingView will highlight the name and let you type. Enter the new layout name you want. A helpful tip here is to pick a name that instantly tells you what's inside. For example, you might use something like Swing Equities Daily, Futures Scalp 5M, or Crypto Long Term. Keeping names short but descriptive makes them easier to scan in a hurry. You can also include a date or version if you iterate often, like Options Theta 2026 Q1. After you type the new name, click Rename to save it. You'll see the updated name appear in the list and near the cloud icon at the top of your chart. That's your confirmation that the change was applied. If you have multiple layouts, take a moment to standardize your naming convention now. Consistent prefixes, timeframes, or asset classes make everything easier to organize. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't immediately see Manage Layout, make sure you're in the main chart window and not a separate idea or community page. And if your layout doesn't seem to save, double check that you're online and logged in so TradingView can sync it to the cloud. That's it. You went to TradingView, opened Supercharts, navigated to the upper right menu, selected Manage Layout, clicked Rename, typed a clearer name, and confirmed it by clicking Rename again. Clean names, cleaner workflow.